Hello and welcome to another video, Destinations by Del Castillo, and we are at the Delano in Las Vegas. We're looking down the hallway. I just came down on the 60th floor of the Delano, and it's associated with Mandalay Bay. It's an MGM property, and we are in Scenic Penthouse Suite 6906, and we have an unusual situation. We have the adjoining room, 6904, which is kind of unusual, and I'll explain that as I go along. So you walk in, and like every suite at the Delano, there's at least 1.5 baths. So in the entryway here, here's your typical half bath. And so for this suite, you can definitely book the Scenic Penthouse Suite online, no problem. But the adjoining room is not a suite, so it's not part of their regular inventory. And you have to wait until it's close to your arrival time to request it. And hopefully they will charge you just a little bit extra and then add that onto your reservation. It's technically a separate reservation, but they'll attach it to yours. And but otherwise, it's kind of a secret room kind of thing, and you have to make a special request for it. So coming in this room, I just made a right, and I'll come back around and show you everything. So you do get in this suite an office, kind of a neat little workspace here. And then I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of the whole room and then walk in order. So you get the whole huge living room, dining area, and back that way there's the room that we are attached to, which I'll show you briefly pretty soon. And then there's also a little bar area. Okay, so if we keep going, and if it were daylight, you would see a huge view of the Strip. Right now you can see the Luxor right in the center of your screen with those blue lights to give you some indication. We're at the one end of the Strip, and we're looking down the Strip towards like Paris and New York. So anyway, you get amazing views from this suite. So here's the master. And the bedroom, we're calling it the master because we have the attached room. So you get a whole living room area here with its own TV on this side. Seating area, that's a view of Mandalay Bay right there. And then if I kept going straight, you'd see the bed, but at this point you can see the pass through to the master bath. And then the bedroom, again with a view of Mandalay Bay. And spinning around here, you can see it has its own TV on this side, and you can get a view of back down the penthouse suite hallway. So going into the main bedroom bathroom, let me get it back up here for you. So if my back is to the window that looks at Mandalay Bay, you can see the entry to the bathroom and the pass through to the bathroom with the driftwood. And then over here to the sitting room. So going into the bathroom, you get double sinks and a light up mirror. Of course, like with all the regular things you would expect at a nice hotel, with the amenities like the toiletries and the blow dryer and lots of extra towels. Here's the closet area. So a spot for one suitcase, a spot for another suitcase, and then their closets, the only thing I can't stand about their closets is this new design with the pole. You have your clothing going straight at you and versus like being able to see it side to side. But there is room, You get 2 robes, extra hangers, iron and ironing board. In that closet, they have automatic lights. And then in the adjacent closet, you get 2 drawers and more hangers, of course. They do have laundry service, which we did have to use once because we got stuck here because of the weather. And then the safe. So, turning back around, now we're in the main bathroom. So, again, lots of towels, and then a great makeup mirror, and then a nice little kind of shelving storage for your stuff. Fabulous bathtub. And again, it looks through to the seating area. And then a nice big shower that is the European glass doors and all marble. It's really beautiful. And then amazing toiletries. And then in the bathroom itself, which does have a door to shut yourself away from everybody else, you do get a bidet and a toilet. So that's a utility closet. They do give you a scale. So now my back's all the way in the toilet room and looking back out through here. Again, walking back through the bathroom. And back out through the main bedroom. Okay, so in the living room, you could definitely entertain here. Plenty of seating. And you get what looks like a mirror is actually a TV. So that is your TV. And then you get this golden glass right now, but in the daytime, it's like a smoky color and you can see everything. And then there's another seating area here. Hello. You want to give her fair warning that I'm going to come in her room? Okay. Okay, so then we're at the half bath. I'm sorry, the half bath. That would be weird. We are in, this is the little wet bar area. So 2 bar stools, the telephone, and then that's kind of an extra exit out into the hallway, but you can't access it from the outside. Oh, we were just going to give her a warning that we were going into her room, but here she is. Hello. Hello. So, I need to get behind you here in a minute. It's okay, you're fine. So, it's a, no, cameo, family cameo. Okay, so you get lots of storage down here. You could, if you were entertaining up here, you could definitely cater and have them send a bartender up here. They will work with you on all those services. Storage down here. And then, so they have a pretty locked down minibar situation. It's all like if you lift, it automatically charges you. And you can go online or you can go on your TV to get the prices for everything. So it's a fully, seriously stocked food, non-alcoholic, alcoholic, pretty much anything you can imagine. Typical high-end minibar prices. They do give you one little shelf to store your own stuff on. If you want the minibar emptied for your stay, you can request that. I believe it's a $50 charge. Of course, that's always subject to change, but they will come and empty it out and then restock it after you leave. So anyway, that's your coffee. So all your stuff is in there, in that cup, everything you would need for a cup of coffee, and then you can use the Keurig. You get glassware, and again, more storage and a wet bar. So heading back out, full dining area. I love the live edge wood table. It's super cool. And then now my back is to the additional room that we have for this particular stay. Okay, so like I said before, the additional room does not come with this penthouse suite. It has to be specifically requested and directly through the hotel. It is not part of their regular inventory. So we're going in through the adjoining door, but I'm gonna start as if we walked in the door that you access this room from, the hallway. So, okay. So if I came in through the corridor that you saw in the very beginning of this video, this is the door you would come through. And this particular room is 6904. So you walk in and the bathroom is amazing. For it being one of their non-suite rooms, which again is why it's not part of their regular inventory, you get amazing bathrooms. So double sinks, same amenities, great bathtub, same makeup mirror, extra towels, blow dryer, scale, all that. And then here you have the shower, same great, beautiful marble, and not quite as big, but still really nice. And then you also get the toilet room, just the toilet, not the bidet, but you're also in just like a regular room. So coming back out, let's see, another view of the nice big bathtub. And then now the other thing that they have upon arrival in both of these rooms is on the desk areas. So you do get a little workspace in this room. That's the adjoining door right there. They give you a welcome letter telling you about the changes with the current COVID situation, an in-room dining menu, and in this pouch is hand sanitizer, reusable masks, and you can obviously dispose of them, but you can use them more than an hour or two, of course. And then some little wipes, and that is really nice. And then this room has king bed, and then the closets, which are on each side of the TV, and they're exactly the same situation, like a drawer, the hangers, safe. And then you get these extra drawers here, the TV, that's the other closet. That closet has more hangers, and then it also has the iron and ironing board. You get a little luggage rack. And then again, same view of the strip. You can kind of see it there. It's a little hard at night with the golden glass, but okay. So turning back around. Here's kind of an overview of this room. I'm in the far corner. And this is the adjoining room that you can get through special request and an extra fee unless you have some kind of connection or extenuating circumstances with the hotel. And then back into the scenic penthouse suite. Cool light fixture. So anyway, that is your tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or leave a question, and we appreciate you liking and subscribing. And thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo.